Have I ever done this before?
Had me fooled.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for checking back in after we introduced, I guess we're just calling this one the sliver car and that one my car. So since we got it delivered about 2 weeks ago, I have really wanted to take this fender off. More than touch the Whipple, more than the bumper, anything. I've just really wanted to get this fender. So I'm starting to get some of the bolts taken off so we can pull some of the pieces apart. Bryan and I think the best course of action is going to be pull away as many parts that are damaged as possible. And then once we have all, access to everything, we can kind of verify what's good and what made it through the accident. We can kind of see what we will need to make this thing running. And we want to make it run before we take the Whipple off of it, obviously, because it's not going to run right then. But from what we can quickly see down here, because we did try to start it when we got it, we can see that the mass airflow sensor's cracked. So it did start, but we heard a huge pop and it stopped. So good sign. We just we got to get a lot of this torn away first. So we just did a transaction with a local guy. We've got different wheels for this again. So the car came with the P51s, if you're curious to where the P51s came from. So we picked those, we decided to take those out, or off that car, and everyone seems to really like them. I wonder if people just really like them because they're black, or if they really like that style of wheel. Either way, thank you for liking them. But I'm going to crank away at this fender and see what I can do. Once this fender's off, I'm going to delicately try to get this light out and then pull away on the bumper, so then we can get everything out and see, like I said, how cracked everything is. If you can see right here, this little water reservoir, it was intact. So it kind of, from what we know from the accident, the guy hit a tow hitch from what it looks like. So everything lower and everything above is pretty sound. So we're gonna crank away at some of this and see what we can get done tonight, so we can hopefully get it running. And I think Brian's tentative plan is we're gonna take the mass airflow sensor out of my car just to see if that's it. Fingers crossed that is it, so we can get this thing on its way. Yes!
God, Joe, I love the way you get those nuts off.
This is a family station.
Oh.
The whole light came with.
Remove a fender, get a headlight free. Craigslist be like, great shape.
Never been used.
Should buff out. Hey Joe.
Hi, Bri.
What you doing down there?
Oh, just, the fender out.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay. This was a Florida car.
What? Is there sand coming out?
So much sand is coming out.
It's a Florida car.
All the bolts are so nice.
The car was brand new in April. I would hope all the bolts are still nice.
My car's blown up and it's brand new too.
Somebody messaged me and asked, or somebody wrote on our YouTube, I think.
What?
Do we have the deck?
Oh, really?
I think. Somebody asked me somewhere. I don't know what to reply because I don't think I have it.
Probably Instagram.
No. I mean, your car sounds nothing like mine, and it has more miles.
That's true. I forget we have more miles than you. Ooh. Look! We finally got this, and now Brian's holding the headlight.
Look at the insides. Look at the LED boards. How fun is that? Look at it.
How
it's so fun.
Yeah, Ken, look at how fun it is.
Look how fun this is.
Ooh.
As you can tell, Ken and Joe are so excited. See this little part that's broken in here?
Yeah.
So this is still from the original housing of the MAF. I took this out the other day. So this is the clip, which means it would sit perfectly. Here, my light. Oh, this goes upside down. So then we just line the pins back up. Gently. Come on, baby. There we go. Straight as an arrow.
Jesus.
And then in theory, as I plug this in, we'll just
Can I start it? Can I start it?
I'm gonna start it.
Okay.
Hold that out of the way.
Okay, I'm gonna stand over here because I don't want to get. Oh, sorry, Steve. I don't want to get all wet.
Any kind of tool and hose down, jar the keys in it.
No, they're right on the toolbox.
Spew out?
I don't know.
Thinking so. I'm going to walk away.
Where that?
What might spew out?
Here.
Right there. What's not going to spew out?
Hold on.
We'll have to,
The impact outside.
Okay, ready?
this car is even...
No, it's not loud.
How do you know? You haven't even started?
We did.
Full long tubes.
Yay!
Did you ever check engine light?
Oh, I don't know. Hold on, we started again.
Oh my god.
It is loud. Oh my god.
It's not loud.
I didn't think it was.
Did you hear that huge bang?
Check engine light.
Hey Ken, is this barbecue chick?
Hey guys, again, thank you for liking and subscribing. I think the first video of the Wrecked 18 left a few questions, so Bryan and I wanted to kind of go over it a little bit more. So to clarify, that was never my car. We picked up that car from Florida, and we're not really sure why the guy got rid of it. If we knew all the answers, we would tell you. The guy hit, from what we know, a truck with a tow hitch, and that's why the radiator was cracked, and that's what we showed you. We, other than that, don't really know. But that weird tick that we were hearing, that we were joking that was barbecue tick, is a cracked valve cover. So the motor's fine, everything's okay, we just have to replace that at some point when that happens. So our next plan of action is getting the Whipple off of my car and putting it onto, or off of that car and onto mine. So once that happens, then we'll be able to start taking it apart and piecing things, because we've been having a lot of people asking us what they can buy and what's for sale. We're getting to it, we promise. We're going to list everything. Getting the Whipple off of it is our main priority at this point. So again, thank you for the nice comments and the really good constructive criticism. Bryan and I are very open to everything. If you have ideas for us or anything, let us know. Comment, like, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram as well to kind of see when we're posting. Turn on notifications, whatever every other YouTuber says. We appreciate it all. So thanks for checking back in and making sure I was all right from that video. But the next video is going to be a little bit more tear down, and then we have some footage of we went to Import Domestic World Cup finals, so we have a little bit of backlog of footage that we're going to be getting to. So we will check back in next week.